Hello and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In today's video we'll have a look at VS Code Online. But before we get started, please have a look at our channel, the Coding Hub, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, as it will really help us improve and also gain more viewers and improve the quality of the videos as well. So thank you. Okay, so this is just a quick video I wanted to show to everyone. It is VS Code or Visual Studio Code in your browser. So what you'll notice here is that you can actually now access Visual Studio Code in your browser. So if you type in vscode.dev or just Google it, you'll be able to actually open up Visual Studio Code in your browser. And the cool thing about this is it's an actual version of VS Code that you can run in your browser, and yeah, it's really cool. The only limitations at the moment are kind of the fact that you can pretty much only just code. As you can see, I don't have like a terminal here and stuff like that, so you can't start actually there is a terminal. Let's have a look at the terminal. There you go. So the terminal is not available in the web editor. To use the terminal, you need to continue with the environment that can run code like code spaces or local VS Code. So as you can see here, they're not actually letting you install things in a terminal in kind of this online environment. So you can't just start straight away making Angular or React websites or whatever else you like to use. However, you can code, which is amazing, and you can open your existing repositories and also benefit from things like IntelliSense and code highlighting. Now, why is this cool? Well, the reason why this is cool is if you have a laptop, you most likely already have your preferred development environment installed. So stuff like Visual Studio or Android Studio, or whatever else you use, and Visual Studio Code as well. Like myself, I have on my computer as well. However, let's say you are on a tablet or your phone, then this is particularly great because you can carry on editing on the go using Visual Studio Code itself, which is amazing. So you can use Visual Studio Code through the browser on your phone or your tablet, which is probably where most people might end up using this. And for things like iOS, this is actually great because there aren't that many development environments available for iOS. There's a little bit more for Android, especially when it comes to compiling and stuff like that, but there aren't that many for iOS. So this is particularly useful for iPads, in my opinion. So if you have an iPad, you can absolutely take full advantage of this and code on the go, or in bed, or however you prefer. So yeah, I absolutely love this. There's also a remote explorer, so you can link it to code spaces and edit directly from there. So yeah, absolutely go check this out. It's amazing, and also works on any operating system. So I know Visual Studio Code works on Chrome, Mac OS and Windows, but let's say you're running some other operating system that doesn't support Visual Studio, all you need is a browser and you can code, which is amazing. Definitely go check it out, and also check out our channel, the Coding Hub, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.